Thousands of years ago, horses were first used to carry people. They were then used to pull chariots, wagons, and carriages. We still use horse-drawn carriages in India, called tongas, to carry people. Long ago, we used carts with 2 wheels for transport. Over time, we began to use bicycles, which were much faster. Later, we started using motor vehicles on 2 wheels, such as scooters, and motorcycles which could travel faster. Here is a timeline of 2-wheelers. An auto rickshaw is a common public transport in towns and cities. They are small vehicles and used for short distances. 2 to 3 people can travel at a time in an auto. They also cost less than taxis. There are different kinds of bridges to cross rivers and streams. Some are hanging bridges made of rope. Some are made of roots of trees. Some are footbridges made of wooden planks. And some made of slabs of stone.